Hello and welcome to the Brias tutorial series. In this video we'll show how to replace the humidifier chamber and reusing the heater cartridge on Vivo 123 series. Turn off the Vivo and disconnect it from the power supply for safety. Remove the humidifier from the ventilator by pushing down the dark grey latch on top of the humidifier, and then pull the humidifier out. Empty the chamber of water. Ensure that the humidifier is no longer warm. Wait at least 1 minute before proceeding. Dismount the heater cartridge from the old chamber and take care when handling the heater cartridge as it may still be warm. Unscrew the heater cartridge by hand by turning it to the left. Pull the cartridge out. Unpack and install the heater cartridge in the new chamber. Insert and firmly screw clockwise the replacement heater cartridge into the chamber by hand. To avoid any water leakage, ensure that it is fully screwed in. Clean the new chamber and its components before filling the humidifier with distilled or sterilized water or boiled chilled tap water. You need to hold the humidifier with the air port opening upwards and fill water into either of the air pod openings. Make sure not to fill above the maximum indicator lines. After filling, you slide the humidifier back into the backside of the Vivo ventilator. A firm click indicates that humidifier is correctly installed, and a humidifier is now ready to be used. We hope you've enjoyed this video. For more information and other tutorial videos on how to use all Vivo bi-level ventilators, please visit our website educationbybrias.com. Thank you for watching.